One of the big things with the difference between rubber floor mats versus rubber floor liners, if you don't know, so these are the Ford rubber mats, and they're great. Thing that differentiates these between the liners is the area that's actually covered. So you can see kind of where this is where the mat would end, is this kind of this hard line here, this raised section, but it extends a little bit further to cover more of that carpeted area. Considerably more coverage with these. So up here, up in the footwell, kind of by the pedals and stuff, you get tons of debris and dirt and stuff that gets kicked up there, which this would not cover at all. So just put this on top. You can see here's the little locking mounts there on that match up with these. But look how much more coverage you're getting with the liners. Just one of those things to help with maintenance, as well as kind of helping with the longevity of some of those interior components like the carpet and whatnot, not getting beat up as bad by having this coverage, this extra coverage here. So with it being wintertime, setting these out in the sunlight to reshape is not very easy of a task. So these have been actually sitting out for more than the 48 hours recommended. I'd say it's been closer to like 4 or 5 days. Anyways, ones in the passenger and driver's seat look like they're pretty decent. It's the bigger ones. Here we go, the passenger. You can see this huge crease in the center here, as well as like this bottom mat here. This one's for actually the bed. Doesn't have the full shape back, but the recommendation was hot water. But I also looked up online to see if there's other methods because I didn't want to go through the mess. Heat gun was discouraged because they can get pretty hot, but hair dryers were an alternative because they don't get as hot. It's less likely to warp, melt, or damage these. So I don't know. I might try the hair dryer route. As expected, the back mat is the worst so far. You can see the big crease down here, as well as right over here. This edge is pretty bad. So we need this one to be more like this. So we are going to try some heat, see if we can't get this to reshape better to the contours of the car. Here you can see the front one. Not too bad. Up in here, it's a little bit, pops up a little. And then right around this edge, it's not super close to the corner, but I mean, that's a little nitpicky, I'd say. But generally speaking, the contour up front is pretty good. Yeah, the driver's side, a little bit better here. This corner here could be a little bit better. And it pops up just slightly, but not bad. The back seat is definitely the worst. If I recall correctly, AAA Liners also offers one that removes this. I think it's about where this crease is actually. This section here, in case you have the under the seat storage solutions that are offered, then it wouldn't have this additional extension past this part, so you would have your storage essentially in that area. So they do offer that variant as well. And just so you can see what the bed liner looked like, didn't seat as flat, and you can see it just kind of pops up near the center. I'm sure over time will become a little bit better fit, but this is what it looked like straight out of the package. And since I opted to do this outside, with the temperature being well below freezing, I had to up the heat and switch to a heat gun. After applying the duct tape as well as some heat, you can see the edge is much better. It was definitely not straight out of the package, so the heat method did help for sure. And then just to give you guys some before and after shots so you can see what it looks like. If you guys want to pick some up, I'll leave a link below in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. I know it's pretty straightforward, but let me know what you got. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Sometimes bad habits go untreated at times, but no ill intent, trying to pay the bill for rent and anticipate what the future will present. Don't get me wrong, not saying everything's broken, but evaluate, don't just let it soak in. Looking for answers in life, wanna live my questions, alright. Wanna get through darkness to light, my mind be up at night, I'm looking for answers.